Iba na.
Begins to grow. Snow. Begins to be the little bird. Begins to bleed. Louder.
And then afterward, I want to be no one else but me.
Maril.
Okay. Busy.
Stand up.
Okay, my right. 1, 2, 3, stand up, Daryl.
Ay,
Okay. 1, 2, 3, camera. Busy in a group.
Daddy calling in the home, mommy shining in the bathroom, baby eating like a man.
Okay, twinkle, ready?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I
Where's
wonder what you are.
Where's Marikit?
Maril.
Carry the church. Open the door and see all the people. Louder. Close the door and hear we pray. Open the door and they all go away.
Pakso.
Then little monkeys
Happy on the tree. Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. No, you can't catch me. Here comes Mr. Crocodile, hungry as can be, and snap!
Snap! E-S-E. Oy. Tagadan si Maril. Taga-dance.
Down to the floor, left to the window, right to the door. Mama kiss me, Papa kiss me, for I know my ABC. Hooray!
Hooray!
Okay. Bibi, ano?
Palakpakan naman po natin yung mga bata. At least mag-improve sila. 2 years ago kasi, pinipilit namin silang, the previous students we had, ayaw nila pumunta sa harap at least sila nagaganyan. So, nagpasalamat din sa mga parents kahit a very short time for us to prepare, ito meron pa rin tayong nagawa for them.
Mami.
Okay. So, while you are, please put it to your parents, do you have change your clothes kung kailangan mag-uniform. And